These tech companies are getting a boost to help them grow beyond Singapore. A new program called Tech at SG is targeting high-potential companies in areas like digital, medtech and fintech.
Under the 2-year pilot, companies will be connected to business networks in the innovation and startup fields. It enables them to access the talent needed to set up new teams. This new program comes a day after Trade and Industry Minister Chan Chun Sing outlined a 5-pronged strategy to nurture talent.
One of the strategies is enhancing collaboration with global talent. That's why, under this new program, qualifying companies will get assistance when applying employment passes for their core team members.
The Economic Development Board says during the application, alternative factors such as deep skills can be considered instead of formal academic qualifications.